I'm Laura Sanford, and I'm here with Captain Mike to do an interview about the Deepwater Horizon oil spill. So, Captain Mike, for those that don't know, when and where did the Deep Horizon oil spill take place?
In April of 2010 off the coast of Louisiana.
Do you happen to know how big it was?
Roughly 210 million gallons, being the largest oil spill in history.
How does an oil spill that happened off the coast of Louisiana affect Alabama history?
Well, the tides, currents, and winds all pushed it over here and into Mobile Bay and our estuaries and into the Mississippi Sound and off the coast of Dauphin Island. And it affected tourism, and it affected shrimping and fishing.
How did you play a role in this history-making disaster?
We patrolled the areas and cleaned up any oil that we found.
How did the Deep Horizon oil spill affect the wildlife and environment in this area?
Tar balls washed up on the beach. People would find them and they would help clean them up. It affected fishing, shrimping, oystering. In general, it affected the fisheries.
Can you walk us through a typical day of cleanup?
When we would find oil, then we would scout the area, find out how big it was and report it. Then we would get boom, lay the boom out to quarantine that area. Then we would all get Tyvek suits. Everybody, including me, would have to wear a Tyvek suit to keep oil, petroleum off of them. Everyone would get a skimmer, skim the waters, pick up any oil that was found, put it in trash bags, collect the boom, put it in there, and then we would go to a decontamination site.
Thank you, Captain Mike, for joining us today.
Thank you.